I was here for last week muho eba takrade asemi yesi who says celebrities be personalities be journalists be no more ediomanu to the likes of Captain Smart my Papa Kojo Dixon afenso efia Schwarz ni papa be ediomanu to mu adan a eba ne say na Central Regional Minister Ekoka Sesebe maame a wose wonyem na yakadna peno no yehu no ne banka ne ho no maame ne boa intro no wotwa pe na before investigation and analysis omo ye ni bibi a chiri mama mi sabi nyi senkura won fa bi ebo na kampese wako akwa wan ye nsem bebere mamu chi ma papa ne resign ni ye kan insam fan ho no nim adwuma ye na say ni nyina ye political agenda they are doing that to say divert attention from the government because another to can be another or the care abusuafo amafo ase call for omo arrested debi omo so yes trofo omo so nim so munim de Ghana na omo anyo so mu hwehwe buzie before omo kan sem afa regional minister no they should be arrested. In fact yanchiwom na ebi kra charges bi wo no de be bo omo ana ebetimi di abo omo a yemfa embo meti niema omo ye ya omo susu a entwa na amafo nsem omo kan na edi kan oni omo ya adwene se nkofo ye mudin abeto dwefia Hwa Kojo Dixon Captain Smart nsem omo ka fa regional minister hono yenchiwom na yefom famra kwan so.
Let's start with Captain Smart. Captain Smart is a disgrace. You see, he's a journalist. We all like him. People even look up to him. Many journalists. I'm just a social commentator.
Okay.
Many journalists. That make us a journalist. No, I'll start to act in a way. I'll start to speak in a way.
Okay.
Many journalists. Timu betro bugos many journalists. You can say me bugos. That's all my post crack also. Me am quite social commentator. Now listen very well. What I know is that you see, me life. I didn't know, and a few things been a principles I made it really. One of them is to be free and fair. BBC here and make sure I listen to both sides. I don't like when people rush into conclusion.
Okay.
I don't like it when people rush into conclusion. As same way I see our third D as a journalist. Se one go school krana. You bet show media ethics.
Dialogue and ethics.
Intino assembly buy no. I won't say every day be an media phone. You guys are there to defend the public. And to be here, every time you guys are leaning towards the public more than the government. We understand that is your work. If something happens, what Captain Smart, a media person, why won't you take a little time and look at A, B? A is the minister. B is the people. Not just Captain Smart, TV3. TV3 went there, interviewed people near their day. Share. In every argument, there are two sides. And you tell Bruni say, there's two sides to the coin. They are always for and against. Woman na muka saw on him no. A chrome ho.
Josephine.
There will be one person who will say woman on him. And no. And the chair say you are doing your work well. Now you are Muslim street go interviews near there. You go to ask people, say, oh, would you vote for Nanado 2024 or 2020? Now you realize, say, bia that particular session, no, NDC for to be say no. Until be amunya no nkwa 10. Common sense should tell you, say, higher NDC zone. Into young MPP force zone into your maker. Not for them to say yes, but for them to omonka because no more and MPP force, so they can give you the correct analysis. So you call MPP niwa. No be saying is oh, obeto man do or not. Oh, me to my MPP last year, but this year me twaba. Why? Why no? A dance sing NDC for because NDC for any day. Make Maka say purely a partisan. But MPP ni waka on two man and there need to be something, and you realize say those people no their reasons are tangible. Okay. Go Chrome ho. It's rather for we can say why didn't you go there? I don't know if you tell them. Penas was going there and we got the news. Yes, that is it.
We're faking a kidnap.
So there was no need for
us to go.
That is
because news now a penny and
good. Now, if you guys had gone there, you'll have divided the motion into two. People are almost a chinchin on him. I don't see, and I say, a Jimmy for, or Mubodia. I'm telling you, say, guy no Bodriano, lady no cry, you nimno. You see,
before I drain it.
BBC, why would you, after the Ebusian phone so munimno? Listen, Nipa no kobo diabo IGP ni government duano, Ebusian phone so munimno. Two. After the almost say NDC for, omu communicator B, and a yes, I didn't. Or no, yes, a man, but munimno. Why are they running? Bo Bodria. I'm a Ghana for Wabuchi, and Bodria, Ghana police, on person can cover up. Or by the common sense, listen and common sense. Assemble bar, look at it, analyze it. Maybe sound is it true? When the issue came and I had the issues, the woman was pregnant, near kidnapping. Yeah, at a glance, yeah, but immediately, the pregnancy was not there. I was shocked. Now, a bit my said she gave birth out of ABR pressure because he can't cry or pimp for an obinyema even a 7 months crana any shock be a bit mama I will once
now yes you were 9 months cry
what am I say so I know I was not too shocked but the story which came out say kidnappers no or my the baby caught and the money they were demanding almost 500 almost 3
okay the new call your rituals or your attack into anye and ye jai
kidnappers for these questions are questions that Captain Smart should have asked. So that is why sometimes I like Paul Adomochi. I'm not saying it's any better. We normally the same people, but on no so MPP but he's going to hammer the questions. Now, make I know a like what most issue by me. The story did we were saying say MP almost it. This guy came in as much as he asked very important questions. Captain Smart did not ask any question. And a Ghana ha come in Kruma no su. Come in Kruma Ghana or pimp for not an insaboni no su. They adding time yes sir. Afidie once a Captain Smart by now. I was so apologize. By now,
not only him.
I was said TV3 Media General. Let me tell you something. Sometimes we be now trend but let me tell you something about this social media business. Who you be out team me? Or say also be out develop your life in the manema. Strive for credibility, not views. Inti we TV station so strive for credibility. E ban say na BBC Because America shit.
Obra enye no kre.
Ena ebia Trumu TV. Because America shit. You believe BBC more than Trumu TV.
Because of the credibility.
Credibility. And yes or soon. Credibility.
Why do you say BBC the on fan news? That
is it.
A fake ember.
So if on your TV Captain Smart, any of my team, which I know they are very intelligent people, if they are always playing the victim's card to get numbers and get views, they will lose the core people. Your amount from payers or subscribe, but there are people in the middle, your core people. Core. Bibia and both sides the those are the people who look at us for the credibility. So some credible crana, they even analyze it well. That is why they are here. Therefore, against they can because NDC MPP and yet voters need decide more infinite. So Captain Smart should be very careful. And same you buy, you should have asked Captain Smart at Adum FM will be bizarre questions. You won't ask anything. You won't say anything. You just come out and conclude. And you see people follow it. But now he should come and apologize. And now say friend number assisting the investigation. Because these claims are very bad. And the issue came like uko kakra say woman no onyema na so abaye atamfo.
Oh you atamfo.
Asa wo de
ade ya mfa wo.
Omo ka we news presenters no ma pause asɛm wei deɛ obi ntimi nka sɛ ɛntrɔ woyɛ ɔbaa na wofɛ fu 9 months a kodwo deɛ wobɛfɛ mu no masa ɛnyɛ bɛrima ho nsuo de gu mu na wonyem wongya gyimie no ask credible questions. Don't play with emotions. Because emotions now the year Juma, we will all lose. Ask questions. Obia bisa questions. Obia was playing the victim card. Mame no no bad time there. Or bad time what takrade when you nyansa ko to silicon. Ashenifu.
Ada the whole world.
Sa azonto.
Oh, sorry there.
When to bisa question bia. Me share video back ne fu na to form. People did H no de mark bet was a see common sense. So Captain Smart should come out and apologize. That's what he needs to do.
Okay. Do you think say omo yes no they should be arrested? And I say it was saying arrest you na. Therefore be more to serve as a different
arrest is too powerful, but
for them.
What I think is I was say the limit at so. For example, this Takrade issue that came, we as media people need to analyze the issue. You better analyze the issue, no. But so analyze the issue, no na. Or say or pin for no. Obi to say fear as nigga. You know she was so clueless. Why would she lie? I didn't know we were deleting you. So you need to have a limit. If you are for the woman and now you believe that the woman is saying the truth, fine. But men can say saki minister no born ni mejuma or ye minister no or supporting MPP or nigga. Why would you say these things? E ba ye no. Unsa fi di obi aye din. All of you are now fools, and the minister is now the wise man. The Bible says, "Learn from the ways of the ant." The ways of the ants. Enye bibia na hu abeka. Enye bibia na hu abeka. Who read Ecclesiastes ni Proverbs are. Or say, the foolish is in a haste to speak, but the wise is always quiet and are in a haste to listen. Intimuntie ansana makasa. The hasty conclusions, the gidi conclusions, embwa. Moya sa, anytime a similar thing will happen beyond, the real work will not be done. Kanokre. If we believe woman we are, do you know what will have happened? I mean, sure. Nebia or my pressure minister and say yampa na woman na beka ne fra. Enutino na mafaka no bi onyem de aden we hu ne fu aden tia na kwakoye ne me kwaye ne test wo pese ogu ne nima se jai dan kwaye ne test no evidence just onyem ya fa ne sa word of mouth woman no ransom no one gi you 3000 ko ne o mobile money ne sim good ube hu na Ghana there I used to me say bibi trend niema access o mu hu it bibi say ba pebo na companies number. Oh, I don't make for and we are from I don't I'll mention the company. Company, you produce milk. This is cocoa milk. And this milk, we want to tell you that we are behind it. So we are providing you 10,000 cartons for the next 10 years. No be telecommunications, so sorry, ZTN. Yes, we understand the problem. We are giving you a brand new car, a house as painters, a life insurance, and a one for us to do. Hey! We are from wine, cocoa pizza. We are giving you free lifetime pizza till you die. No be swaba. Wine baby shower. No be swaba. You wanted a baby and as mothers, you all need to celebrate. So we are going to give you free baby things, even if you give birth or don't give birth again till you die. You see, na man for the man for name on channel. Small girl, not really big Ghana, 30 million population, one person. Jimmy,
we
failed to ask the questions. Do you know what will happen? It is going to set a precedent. And kidnap him. You better kidnap him. Me nye Kenya die was painters. Come me dia me say book.
Chapter 1.
Me baka say you better kidnap him nyina no. Me dia nkasa no. Ye kidnap na movie. Na ye trap life. Ye kidnap him. But we need to move from that angle. Ghana, the question I want to ask everybody is, what will have happened if we all believe this woman? Answer yourself.
And the answer no, wow, share also true comment section as it.